Hi there, were you ready to order? Hi, I'll just have the usual. Thanks. Do I know you? No. Okay, yeah, I didn't think so. So, then why the fuck would I know what the usual is for you? It's on the menu. It says it's just a chicken sandwich with roasted red peppers and spicy. Oh, I am so sorry. I completely forgot that's what we called that. No, that's okay. Great. So, don't worry about it. And what did you want to drink with that? Yeah, I'll have whatever it takes to get you